Hiya and welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the exhibition centre in Liverpool for the indoor fun fair. We've actually walked the long way round as we didn't realise we could cut through. Well, we finally made it to the entrance. We probably could have been here about 5 minutes ago, but we decided to follow the sat nav. We've just gone through security, who I would like to add were very friendly. We are now off to collect our wristbands. We pre-booked these wristbands online. I think they were about £14 each. It gives us access to all the rides. So we've made it into the fun fair. We're just going to have a little walk around to get our bearings before we decide what rides to go on. Plenty of food stalls and the traditional Funfair game stalls around. So the girls wouldn't walk around without having a go on the swing ride first. We are making our way to the inflatable slide. It's nice that they've got other stuff on offer besides the ride. It means the whole family can enjoy a nice day out. There's not much atmosphere at this part of the arena. It could be because of health and safety, or it's just people have made it over here. But yeah, it's really quiet at the moment. We are making our way to the other side of the arena, and I think this is where everybody's been hiding out because it is a lot more busier over here. There are a lot more children's rides over this area, so maybe that's why the other part was quiet. The youngest has decided to go on this little Ferris wheel, while the oldest has gone on the funhouse that is near it. So there's definitely a nice selection of rides for the children, and there's also a little play centre up ahead, as well as your classic Sizzler.
We're another round like you just done. Yeah, come on, listen.
We've had a nice time at the indoor Funfair. I was a bit gutted I couldn't go on any of the rides due to illness, but it's been nice here. The only thing is there's not much seating around, so be prepared to eat on the floor and stand around a lot.